Hello all. In this video, we will discuss Jarvis AI Virtual Assistant. In Virtual AI, it will do daily tasks like open Google, open YouTube, open VS Code with the help of single voice command. What can Jarvis AI Assistant will do? It can do Wikipedia search for you. It is able to of opening website like YouTube, Google in a web browser. It is capable of opening your code editor like VS Code with the help of single voice command. It also tells the current time. First, we have to define a speak function because to make our Jarvis talk, we will make a function called a speak. Simply copy and paste. In this, define a speak audio as a argument, and then it will pronunciate it, and then we have to install pyttss3 because the next thing we need is audio. For audio, we have to install pyttss3. We must apply audio so that we can pronounce it using a speak function we made. We are going to install a module called pyttss3. After successfully installing pyttss3, input this module into your program. Engine pyttss3 init SAPI5. What is SAPI5? SAPI5 is a API developed by Microsoft. It helps in synthesize and recognize of voice. Defining WISMI function. We will make a WISMI function that will make our Jarvis wish on grid the user according to the current time of PC. So we have to import date time module, and then we have to write this function. In hour we return current hour, and then with the help of if-else statement we can simply compare the condition and print. If greater than 0 less than 12, simply speak good morning. If greater than 12 less than 18, speak good afternoon. Then else good evening. Then I speak, I am Jarvis AI, please tell me how may I help you. After that, the next most important thing for our AI assistant is that it should take command with the help of microphone of user system. So now we will make a take command function with the help of the take command function. So we have to install a speak recognition, then import it, and simply I copied it and paste in the VS Code. In this take command function, simply take and paste in output, and then return it. Here we create a main function and then defining task 1 to search something on Wikipedia. To do Wikipedia search, we need to install and import the Wikipedia module in our program. So first install Wikipedia, then import it. After successfully installing the Wikipedia module, import it into the program and write important statement like if Wikipedia inquiry. If anyone say Wikipedia, then we speak searching Wikipedia, then query replace Wikipedia and result Wikipedia.summary. This is a command in Wikipedia, and then speak and also print. And defining task 2 for open YouTube. These are very easy. You can easily understand yourself. If open YouTube inquiry web browser.open youtube.com. Similarly, current time we import date time and here speak and also print. To open VS Code, we have to write the path we can easily get from your computer, and this part is for ending. We use exit function. Exit. If we say bye bye thank you, so exit. So we have to go in VS Code and then here first of all we run it.
Good evening. I am Jarvis AI. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open YouTube. Open Google. Open Stack Overflow. Like open YouTube, so oh, oh, it open the YouTube and then Google, then Stack Overflow. It is very simple. Uh, Tata, thank you. Many cheese and you all understand. Listen in the coding part. We import pivot TTS3, date time, speak recognition, Wikipedia, web browser, OS. You can easily
Searching Wikipedia.
through code. Oh, he, he, okay, that's all. Thank you.